In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $60 easy. Because that's what this channel is about. Making money easy. This website is Capterra. This is a company that pays you to write software reviews. As you can see, you earn $10 for your first eligible software review. I did one July 31st and I received my $10 about a week later. So they have to review it, make sure it's a good review. It don't have to be long. It don't have to be nothing special. Just say something like, I like the software, it helped my company, things of that nature. That's what I did. They sent me $10 roughly a week because they had to read it and review it. I did mine on this right here, and I have actually used that before. That's Asana, so that's a good software to use. I'm gonna go into my email so you guys can see they did send me my $10, right? So I've already used it, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the redemption link so you guys can see exactly what we have here. They have a few different options. Amazon gift card, Apple, iTunes, Starbucks, Visa, then you can donate. I had chose the virtual Visa reward card, and what I did was link that card to my PayPal so I can use it and get the cash. So something to think about if you want to do that. But they had emailed me again after I did the first one here, and I'll show you guys. So you can do like 10 more after you do the first one. They'll email you. As you can see here, it said we'll send you $5 gift card for up to 10 reviews. So each one you do, you get $5. A total of 11 reviews for $50, guys. $60. Money made easy. Guys, go ahead and click on the link in the description. Start making some easy money. $60 free. Easy. Hit that like button if you found this video valuable. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe because I'm going to be posting videos very frequently about how to make money easy, how to get free stuff. I mean, you name it. So, thanks for watching. And until next time, make some money easy. Peace out.